Hello everyone, welcome to our project Formalizer, which is for the hackathon Hack-O-Mania 2024. Our team name is TriHard and it consists of me, Krish Kaur, and Vishwajit Tripathi. So our problem statement was to build a web-based platform featuring distinct interface for administrators and farmers. So we created an application serving both administrators and farmers in managing and sharing data effectively. So the admin can create folders and manage them, and the farmers can assign the farmers based on the region and crops, and the farmers can upload images and relevant data and view assigned as tasks and submissions. In terms of tech stacks that we have used HTML, CSS for front end. For backend, we use Node.js and Express.js. We use Postman, VS Code, and version control as additional tools. And authentication, we use JWT. In terms of future scope, we would like IoT devices for real-time monitoring and machine learning so that we can predict crop disease and pest infestations. And we would also like to build mobile applications for making it more accessible to all farmers and create a fostering community such as forums and discussions boards for knowledge sharing among farmers and researchers. So, in conclusion, we would like to create a future where data driven insights empower farmers and researchers to cultivate thriving crops and build resilient agricultural ecosystems. So, let me show you the login interface in which the farmer or the admin would select the type of login user they are. So, suppose it's an admin, they'll select admin, they'll enter their email, password, remember me, and sign in. The dashboard would look something like this, in which it will have crop details with farmer profile, region, crops, and the progress in which they are. They can view their own profile, such as admin profile, which they can edit and they can change their passwords. They would also have farmer dashboard, in which farmers can upload their region, the crop, and the crop density at which they are uploading and upload the images. So now Vishwajit will explain the backend and how it works.
So here we can see the models that we have used for the backend of our project Formalizer. So firstly, we have an admin model which is not connected to any of the other models. Then secondly, we have this folder model which has a one-to-many relationship with the farmer model. So multiple farmers can be assigned to a folder. Then again, we have this submissions model, which is in a one-to-many relationship with the farmer model. So we can assign multiple submissions to a particular farmer. So this was the models used for our project. So let's take a look at some of the APIs that we have created for this project. So we have divided APIs into two categories, the farmer APIs and the admin APIs. So we can log in as a farmer, as you can see with these details. I send a request and we are logged in. We get, as we are using JWT for authentication, we get the access token and the refresh token. You can see when we log out, these cookies are cleared and we get a message. Let's log in again and use these routes. So the get all submissions gives us all the submissions that is made by us as a farmer. So here we can see that, and get submission gives us a particular submission that we have made by its ID. So this is it. Next we can take a look at some of the admin APIs. So let's just log out as a farmer and go to the admin API. Yeah, let's just log in as an admin with these details, and we can see now that we are logged in, we can use these other routes. So get all folders gives us all the folders. These folders are divided on the basis of region. So suppose I want to get a I want to get all the folders, basically all the regions that I have in my database. So I send this request and see there are currently two regions, Haryana and Delhi. I can also create a folder. So let's say we do Madhya Pradesh, and I send a request. I can see this new folder is created. We can also delete a folder. Uh, this particular API gives us all the farmers that have registered on our application. So here are all the farmers, and let's just take a look at some other. So these are some filter APIs. So this API gives a submission by crop name. So all submissions that have the crop type field set as this crop name. So here it is corn. This is basically a request parameter. We get all those submissions. So here are all those submissions. Similarly, we can get submissions by farmer ID and folder ID. And that's all. Thank you.